day, Kenneth and Kelvin. Today I would like to discuss the welding training part 2. As you remember, our first discussion is welding training part 1, but that one is a surface welding only. But today, this is a real welding, a real practice also. And I would like to discuss the 4 types of welding joints, right? Are you ready?
Yay.
The number 1 is a butt weld joint. This butt weld joint application, usually this is used in a household or shop, or this is the common welding that we encounter. The figure of this butt weld welding is a B groove. The T1 is the thickness of the first material, and the T2 is the thickness of the second material, which we are welded together. The shaded part is the welded part. And usually for B groove, this is only 32 positive, negative 5 degrees angle. And the second type of welding joint is Philly weld. Look at this configuration. This Philly weld usually applied in a civil structure. Let's say this is the column and this is the support. And this is a simple only welded part here, the red color. Again, this is the T1 for the first material, and this is the T2, the second material that we need to weld to join together. And then the number 3 is the groove plus Philly weld. Usually, this is also again applicable in the civil structure or high temperature application. Look at the structure here. There is a little cut of the first material, and then you can see the red color shaded is the welded part, right? This one is a little bit complicated than this Philly weld. And then the last one is the branch weld. Usually this one is applicable for power plant. This is for high pressure and temperature like nozzle or hose. Look at this, the configuration. As you can see, there is a cut here. Totally cut the first material. Then usually this is 2 mm. The gap of this one before we weld. Usually 2 mm. And look at this shaded red color. This is a welded part, right? This is the thickness of the first material, and this is the second material thickness. Let's say this is the boss nozzle, and this is the mother pipe. All right. Did you understand?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Did you understand?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Again, before we start, that's the very important of all. Before we start to work or something, we have new job. As we discuss always safety first. We remind you always the safety first. Now, look at this word. As you can see, these are the PPEs. Personal Protective Equipment. This is a respirator. This respirator, we don't have this one, but first time we eliminate this one, and now we substitute some material to get this respirator. This respirator, we substitute the electric fan. It's very important. We use this electric fan. Electric fan. You prefer this one. Then this one is the welding mask. Again, we have. And the gloves, we have also. And then this one, protective boots. Last time, we don't have protective boots, but now, I realize we have a boots. No, you just borrow. We have also this one. And this one, protective clothes. The overall, we don't have this one, but I have here, only here. We have also until this one. And welding machine is not, again, the PPE. I think it's all. Remember what I am saying, first priority the safety. Alright? Let's go. Did you understand?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Did you understand?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. one is for your kinet, right? This is for kinet. This is mine. And this is for Kevin. Right? Set up the first. And remember what I have said. We're now already wear the gloves, the boots. I will remove. I will check later on if your good will be right. Then hold the pan. Sit down. Hold this one. Alright. Next one is children, right? Down. This is the instruction from when I will press your hand, and then as we go along here, I will move my hand and we will continue, right? Okay, you. Look at me, I will make a welding here. How does it weld? Look at me very carefully. I remember it last time, you just scratch this rod, consumable welding rod, and then move upward, maybe around 2 mm or 1 mm, right? Look at this one. Right? Now we check your work. This is welding training number 2. This one must be have a progress, huh? Alright? Unlike our first training. Okay, look at this one, Kenneth. As you can see here, start from here and here, I hold your hand. And this one, I remove my hand, and this is yours. Again, still we need more practice. And this one for Kelvin. Okay, come here, Kelvin. Look at your work. And we'll check. See, as you can see here, starting from here and here, I hold your hand. Then when I remove, look at your work. Is this promising? You need a more practice, right? And now we check my work. I will show you how to weld. Right? So this one. See, look at this one, Kelvin. Looks like it's plain surface, and but this is not too much straight. But supposedly next time your output is like this. No? We proceed the third training. You need two of you. You need to graduate for the third training. Okay, right? Congratulations, Kelvin. And this overall, it looks like you pass. Up here, yeah, up here. Yeah, and then stand up picture. Yeah. We are the kids.
Mechanic.
Mechanic.